Should we keep this one?
Oh, it's
Falling
darling.
over, huh? Pretty cute for 20 bucks, huh?
It is darling.
Cute. Look at his
Pieces unhooking, Daddy.
mane.
Say hi.
See his mane?
It's finally here. The Dodge Model year-end clearance.
And you got a tail, too.
6 years on Dodge Durango,
There's your tail.
Dakota, and Grand Caravan.
Mike, over here, dig it. Look at it.
Story. Now for the first time ever on 2007 Durango, Dakota, and Grand Caravan will qualify for
We love dressing you up, little guy.
no interest for 6 full.
Cute.
That's the best one yet.
Oh, that's too cute. We'll have to download that.
Wave.
Say hi, Colby. Say, I'm going trick-or-treating.
Grab the regular camera.
Huh?
Go grab the other camera.
Say, I'm going trick-or-treating. Where is it?
Yeah, on the bag, in the bag on the sink.
Oh. Hey, Colby. Colby. Hey, handsome boy.
We're getting all ready for Halloween and it's still a month away.
You're falling over there. Okay. Okay, big boy. Say hi.
Colby.
Hi.
Hey, cutie.
Hey, sweetie.